Whether you want to build rapport with your team, cultivate relationships with investors, or even make a good impression with strangers at an event or party, you're bound to find yourself in situations where you need to make small talk. When this happens, what most people do is talk about the weather or ask someone if they had a good weekend, all of which are conversations that fall flat. There's a topic, though, that everyone can relate to and open up about without it feeling forced and uncomfortable. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what it is so you can master making small talk. If you're new here, though, my name's Byron Morris, and I'm the author of Think Like a CEO. And on my channel, I put out videos on mindset, leadership, and becoming more effective in your role. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss future videos. Now, one common challenge I see in the people that I work with is they have difficulty with communication. They don't know how to start conversations. They don't know what to say. That even when they do, they're left feeling awkward. And this is completely normal, especially when you're in situations where you don't really know someone or where you're putting a pressure on yourself that you don't want to say the wrong thing because you want to make a good impression. Rather than resorting to meaningless conversations about the weather or what someone did on the weekend, though, the best thing you can get someone to talk about is themselves. People love talking about themselves. And the best part is, once you get them started, you don't actually have to say that much yourself. You just need to open the conversation and then have a genuine interest in what they have to say. That part is key because people can tell when you're not actually interested. But when you actively listen and you're engaged and you're present, people are going to leave that conversation feeling heard and with a far stronger connection. To do this successfully, you need to ask open-ended questions. The worst thing you could do is ask someone something that they could just respond with good or fine. That's why the easiest way to approach this is to base your questions on a mutual interest or situation that you're in. Let's say you're talking to an investor. You could ask them, what got you interested in this field? Was it something you studied or is it just a passion? Then whatever they say, you can add in your own experiences. You can say, yeah, I studied this as well, or this event made me really passionate about this situation. That's going to allow you to connect on a deeper level. And then you can ask further questions about their experiences or what they went through or their current thoughts that continue to guide the conversation along. The best thing about this is you can get people to open up about their goals, dreams, and aspirations, which is something that everyone loves to talk about. And it's the same as if you're at a party and you start asking someone about their job, or you go to an event and you want to find out more about what they're doing and why they decided to attend. These are great conversational openers, and what they're going to do is help you uncover someone's interests, which will then naturally evolve the conversation from there. What you don't want to do, though, is turn this into an interrogation, and that's why it's so important when you're asking questions, you also throw in your own thoughts and experiences to keep the conversation two-sided and also help it continue moving along. What you'll find is that by sharing similar experiences, you'll be able to relate to people on a deeper level, and this can take situations that are usually awkward and forced and instead turn them into something where you can formulate a genuine connection with someone. It's all about putting the focus on them and then genuinely wanting to know more about what they think and what they have to say. Get this right, and people will find you way more interesting, and they'll leave your conversations with a positive impression and feeling connected to you, all because you made them feel heard. Yes, this does take practice, but every time you do it, it's going to become easier and you'll be able to stop viewing small talk as awkward and uncomfortable and instead view it as something to genuinely connect with people and get to know them better. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What other insights or ideas could you add in? Share them in the comments below because it may just help someone else who's struggling with this area of their life. And if you want to develop your mindset further, in the description of this video, you can get a copy of my book, Think Like a CEO, where I'm going to show you how to up-level your way of thinking so you can stop reacting, make better decisions, and master the mental game needed to be a highly effective leader. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss future videos. I've been Byron Morrison. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.